unboxing. Wow! Let's see what's inside. Sige, medyo layo mo. Para to makuha lahat. Cute Pampers. Let's see, stretch mark. So, what else? Oh, cute. Lilimon. Gripe water, please. Mga freebie. What's this? We're mothers. What's that? Lansino. I'm not sure what is it. This one is wipes. Wala. Okay. Diaper. Another wipes. Oh, Dede. I like it. Let me see. Anti-colic. Dr. Brown anti-colic. Let me see gano'n siya kalaki. Ay, pwede! That's nice! Oh, may Dede na si Summer. Ay, si Summer. Si Baby. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, another Advent bottle. It's a bottle. Let me see. I'm gonna open it.
Oh, I'm buckling everything.
Oh, that's cute!
Okay, the ice cream.
There's another sample. Kendamil. Sample infant formula. Yan. Then, Aveeno Baby wash and shampoo. Oh, and then...
Is there really an ice cream?
What else do we have here?
Lisa?
Oh, that's
Is there
cute!
really an ice cream?
Ito, nabibidyo kami. Ano to? More on... Parang dede din. Pero kabila, ano dede? O, chupon lang to. So, kala ko bumili na lang ng lalagyan. Meron na palang bottle eh. Breast pump dish soap.
Can I also order that?
Libre to. Wipes. Cute. Another wipes. And wash and shampoo. Wash and shampoo. Yay! Ito lahat. Charan! These are all free! Ayan. Okay na. Cut!